Stop applying for one credit card every year. You're wasting time. Want a 750 score fast? You need a thick credit file. Today, I'll show you the 3-card strategy. You can get 3 premium cards in just 24 hours. Why 24 hours? When you apply for a card, a hard inquiry hits your report. It usually takes a day or two for all bureaus to update. If you apply for all 3 strategically on the same day, banks won't see other recent applications yet. This helps you bypass the too many inquiries rejection. Here's the best 3-card combo for beginners. First, the Discover It Student or Secured card. It has high approval odds. Next, the Capital One Platinum card. It's great for building your credit history. Lastly, the Chase Freedom Rise card. It's the best entry point into the Chase ecosystem. Pro tip: apply for the Chase card first because they are the strictest. Warning: only do this if you're disciplined. More cards mean more responsibility. Manage these 3 cards perfectly, and your score will skyrocket within 6 months. Check the application order in the description. Subscribe to Smart Credit Secrets for more high-level credit hacks.